Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to contact Amazon customer care. Whether you're dealing with an order issue, need help with a return, or have questions about your account, getting in touch with a real person at Amazon is easier than you might think. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in before proceeding, as this will help Amazon identify your account and provide more personalized support. Now that you're logged in, look at the top of the page where you'll see the search bar. Click directly on it and type in customer service, then press enter. This will take you to Amazon's help and customer service section, which is the central hub for all support-related options. On the customer service page, you'll see various help topics and options. Look for the button that says contact us and click on it. This will take you to a page where Amazon asks you to specify what kind of help you need so they can route you to the right department. Next, scroll down the page until you find an option labeled something else. Click on that. Amazon uses this section for general inquiries that don't fit into their standard categories, making it a good pathway to speak with a live representative. After clicking something else, you'll see another set of options appear. From these, select I need help with something else. This tells Amazon that your issue requires direct assistance from their support team. At this point, a new window will pop up on your screen. In that window, click on Connect with an Associate. This is the key step that starts the process of actually reaching a real person who can help you with your concern. Now look at the left panel of this new window. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can select your country or region. Click on that menu and choose the appropriate location. This ensures you're connected to the right support team based on where you are. Finally, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Type it in carefully, then click the button that says Call Me Now. Amazon will immediately call you at that number, connecting you with a customer care associate who can assist you with whatever you need. And that's it. You've successfully set up a direct call with Amazon customer care. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.